If you need to recover your South State Bank account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the South State Bank website. Go to the official South State Bank website. Look for the login section and click on the Forgot Password or Need Help link to start the recovery process. Step 2. Provide account information. Enter the required information such as your account number, email address, and any other identifying details. This information helps verify your identity and locate your account. Step 3. Choose an alternative recovery method. Since you do not have access to your phone number, select an alternative recovery method. This may include answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use iStroke to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it. After resetting your password, you should be able to log into your account. If you encounter any issues during the process, consider contacting South State Bank's customer service for further assistance.